welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Pradipto. Today I am going to discuss week 2 assignment 2 of the course Data Structure and Algorithm using Java. Okay, we will provide all the assignment answers of this topic on this channel. So please do subscribe my channel and support us. Now the first questions of week 2 assignment 2 is on your screen. Which of the following classes is part of Java collection framework? Linked list will be the answer of this question. Now the second question is, which of the following is true in the case of Java collection framework? The JCF is consist of collection and facilities. Now question number 3, which of the following interfaces is not part of the Java collections framework? Stream will be the answers of question number 3. Now which of the following statement is true? Option number B will be the answers of question number 4. Okay. Now in question number 5 it is said that which interface extends sorted set to handle retrieval of elements based on closest match. So navigable set will be your answer. Now question number 6, which of the following statement is or are incorrect for Java collection framework? Okay, so option number C, it is said that unlike hash map, hash table does not store key value pairs. It will be your answer. So question number 6. In question number 7, the properties class extends which in this fourth option. Now hash table will be the answers of question number 7. In question number 8, it is said that in the Java collection framework, tree map extends which class and implements which interface. Okay, tree map extends abstract map. That means for class we call it extends, and for interface we call it implements. Now it's implements, that means the tree map implements navigable map. So option B will be the answers of question number 8. So in question number 9, it is said that in the key interface of Java collection framework, what do the pick and pull methods respectively do? Okay, now pick retrieves but does not remove. Okay, this is the difference of pick and pop. In case of pop, it retrieves and also remove, but in case of pick, it just retrieves but does not remove, while pull retrieves and removes the head of the queue. Okay, now which of these interface handles sequence? So list will be the answers of the question. To submit the answer, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the videos of the further topic. Okay.